Okay, so we are going to be learning how to do single crochet. So you have to start with a foundation row, and that is usually chains. So say you have some chains here. If you don't, follow the previous video to learn how to make chains. So just make your row that's called a foundation row of chains. Now you have your hook and it's hooked into the last loop here. Now we are going to go, you're going to count now. See these two lumps here, these two lumps, these two lumps. This is your first chain from your hook. You're going to go into the second chain. So find one, you're going to go into the second chain here. So what you're going to do is slide your hook, use your right hand, slide this, and go into that, into the middle there of your second chain from your hook. And you'll have your yarn in the back. So just hook the yarn and pull it through, just like that. So you'll have two loops on your hook. Then you're going to yarn over again, so you'll have three loops there. Now this is where you're going to have to get used to sliding your hook. You're going to grab that loop that you just made and pull it through and under, pull it through both of those loops. Ta-da! So let's do that again. We'll go into the next chain. And so you're going to stick your hook in, just like that, and pull your yarn through. So you'll have two loops on your hook. Now yarn over, just like that. Now pull that yarn that you just, the loop that you just yarned over, pull that through both of those loops. 1, 2, and you might have to turn your hook a little bit as you're pulling through, and that's fine. You just made your second single crochet. Let's do it again. So into the next lump there, put your hook through, pull that yarn up and through. You've got two loops, yarn over, pull through both of those loops. There you go. So keep going. Just like that. So I'm just going to show you what to do when you get to the end. So once you get to the end of your row and you have one left, so just say you've gotten to the end and you have one left here, you're just going to do the same thing. Put your yarn through, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through both of those. So you've finished a row. Congratulations. Now if you want to start what you do is yarn over and pull through, and that's your chain. Remember that's how we started. So you make a chain, one, and then you turn your work. And then you're going to ignore this chain that you just made, and into this first space here, this first stitch, this is where you're going to start your next row. So just put your hook through, pull up a loop, then yarn over and pull through. And that is all there is to the single crochet stitch. So you can just continue to work that all the way across, and then when you want to start a new row, you just do a chain one, turn your work, and keep going across. So that's it. You have done a single crochet and you're going to be an expert. Good job.